Premiere has a new inbuilt scene cut detection feature that you can use to automatically detect cut points in an edit that's already been created. First, import your pre-created edit into Premiere and add it to the timeline. Right-click on your edit and select Scene Edit Detection. A new window will appear, and in here, make sure that the first tick box, apply a cut at each detected cut point, is selected. The next 2 tick boxes are optional. Creating a bin of subclips from each detected cut point can be useful if you're going to use these clips in the new edit. Click Analyze and Premiere will run through your edit. It will then automatically make cuts where shots change on the timeline. If you have also selected to create a bin of subclips, you can view these in a bin in the project window and drag and drop them onto your timeline.